Not a text. Not a call. An emergency alert. It said, "Do not look outside." I laughed until every phone in my building went silent. No alarms. No vibrations. Just quiet. Then a second alert came in. If you see a face, do not acknowledge it. Something knocked on my door. Slow. Polite. The alert updated one last time. It can hear you thinking. I'm not scared of the knocking. I'm scared because the reflection in my window is smiling. And I'm not. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you dare, and subscribe for more.